Mr. Creepy 21.
Mr. King Creeper 21. 69.
Don't forget the number.
Scar.
Grenades.
Okay.
Help!
Ella, no!
Idiot.
No.
I don't have
I'm gonna
guns.
kill that.
Me cago en.
Help!
Scarecrow?
I'm not gonna kill that. I'm not gonna kill that. Yo,
What
I,
did-
You came
I
down, like-
honestly, I was ready to kill that guy, man. The scar,
I saw it.
I always lose with the scar. Always.
It went to spectating you for a second, and when you jumped in, I'm like, oh yeah, he's definitely killing him. And then I didn't see you anymore, and then help.
Yeah, definitely not. I'm never pushing a single player again if I have a scar. I don't know why. Up close, it's so bad.
They did knock it. You know that, right?
Of course.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
Nice.
I think I could, guys. Come here, Harry.
Don't cry, Diggle.
I'm not crying. I am a meme.
Okay.
Ooh, shit.
Ostras, tú!
Shit. Okay, never mind.
Awesome.
Ostras! Ella, you scared me so bad. Now thanks to you, I have to change my pants again. There is a DP28 here. Oh, I see it. No!
Mark the
No.
location.
Behind us, Ella. Okay, dead. There is someone in white clothes over there.
Watch out!
Female character. Around 30 maybe? Helmet level 3.
Okay. Shit.
Yuppie! Famas? Yep. Which gun are you taking? Okay. And I drop the ammo for the P90. I'm going to the surface, guys. Everyone has a stingray?
Yep.
Same.
Okay. Es que creo que te f***ing Trident. Oh man.
No. But you said it way meaner. You were like, get the fuck right in. You
No. No,
no, I'm just.
Oh man. But I was like, I think you killed me twice in that moment, right, Ella? So I was like, okay, es que creo que te Trident. No, I'm not going there.
Yeah.
Es que creo que te f***ing Trident. Give me the f***ing heart.
It was so funny.
Oh man.
I don't want to.
I don't want to die.
I was like, bro, you get the try it.
And then you went to get it, right, Scarecrow?
Yeah, I got it, and it worked out. We all got our respawn card. Diggle was right. I was just being a little.
Okay. We were playing with kills in that moment, right, Scarecrow?
Dude, Ella scares me because she's fucking sneaky as. She always comes out of nowhere, like. Gets me every time.
Yep. That's Ella. What is the name of the animal? A cockroach?
A what?
What? Did you just call me a cockroach?
Ah, okay. That. No, no.
That's fucked up.
What'd you say, Dago?
Nothing, nothing. Okay, stop recording. This didn't happen.
Okay. Well, there's something I've never been called before.
Like a compilation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A compilation of your friends just getting destroyed. That's
Yep.
Yeah.
so funny. No, I remember I was one time in a match with Jazz, Richa, and Alex. And I killed all of them. It was great.
Nice.
There's one enemy here inside with me.
Where are you? Pachinki?
Yep. No, he has a shotgun. Ooh.
And what happened? We all landed at the military base, and I knocked Jazz, and Alex killed me. But then I got recalled, and I came back and killed all three of them. I was so mad. Oh my god.
Yep. I don't know. Too much drama, in my opinion.
Yeah, man.
I mean, I can play with whatever I want, right? Whoever I want. ¡Ay, concha tu madre! ¡Ah! There is...
Marked a location.
Guys,
Damn.
I have enemies. I have enemies here, guys. Come here! No!
Coming.
Hasta la vista, putines. Déjame ir, por favor. No, 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 no. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm like
What? Are you
stranded
kidding?
at the moment.
Idiots. ¡Ostras, tú! ¡No eres Stingray! Let me go. ¡Ostras!
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you sound like you're taking a shit, Diggle.
I have two... ¡Ostras! I don't scream in that moment. What the heck? there are...
Like, just let it come out naturally, Diggle. Don't try to push it.
¡Ostras, tú!
Coming. Damn, you are so far, Diggle. It'll take me forever to get there.
Okay. I can wait for
Bro,
you
Scarecrow,
forever.
You don't have anything to drive?
No. Oh, there's a car.
Oh man. I'm dead. No, por favor.
Se nos vienen encima. Hay que curarnos.
Idiots. Okay, here's some gunshots here. Hello.
Marked a location.
Damn it.
Jesus, Diggle.
Oh shit.
Oh man.
His face is probably beat
Marked a
red.
location.
Yo, give me your address. I'll send you some laxatives.
Shoot him, Scarecrow.
Atentos. Hay gente aquí.
No.
Oh shit.
I'm going. Damn it.
I lost him.
It's in this roof, but tell
What
me
was the
that.
right time to... Now there's people shooting from behind again.
Awesome.
That was the guy I killed on the balcony. Oh, there's someone.
Right here, Scarecrow.
The one inside. Nice.
Awesome.
Sorry. That seems not good. There's people here. I'm probably
Coming.
dead too.
Coming.
Coming in hot.
I'm recalling a teammate.
Yep, I hear it.
Well, I saw one
Thanks.
person.
Muchas gracias, amigo. Sos lo
Pucha
más.
madre. I killed my Stingray. My Stingray.
Buy a stinger. Damn. Just made it.
Yep.
Oh, great.
Did you stack the car, Scarecrow? Ah, no. Okay, number
I
4.
think I gotta knock. I gotta knock. I'm gonna
Oh.
knock her out of there.
Oh god.
Or not. No, you know what?
Oh.
The car's out of gas anyway. What's the point?
Oh man. What a parking, Ella.
Okay, number 4. I actually don't know where number 4 died. To bring him back to his crate.
Marked a vehicle.
He died
Okay.
in the where the car is.
Okay.
Marked a location. Marked a location.
Ow.